What's up, guys? We are packing up our little room here at south of the border. Been here for about 8 weeks now, grinding on Supercross. Now we pack up, head to Oklahoma for I think 5 days.
Yeah.
And then off to California for the month of January. We are back, packing day 2. Did some dirt biking today here at south of the border, and now we're finishing up. It's really cold here, by the way. Van's gonna be loaded down. This is where we have spent the last 8 weeks. Say hi to Hardy.
Just cleaning up. Huh.
Trying to get the room clean so when we come back in 5 weeks, it's not a complete wreck. It's always the worst part about traveling. Trying to fit your road bike in and not screw it up. So
Yeah.
we'll see how this goes.
She's super delicate.
I think
Do you need my help?
should be good.
Oh, you're kind of caught on top. Okay. Do you want me to get up in there?
Alright, we'll be
So,
back.
get inside, buddy. Get inside. Get in your house. Can't figure it out.
We're gonna have to disassemble this thing.
Okay, it's 4:30 a.m. We've emptied the room. Chase is getting our luggage loaded.
Peace out, south of the border. Bye, Josiah, Taylor, Joe, Cole. We're out. 4:30 a.m. 17-hour drive. Dogs are ready. Wife's ready. Let's hit the road.
Goodbye, SOB. We'll miss ya. So that's the race shop right there. Stopping at Buc-ee's.
First stop.
First stop. Now to get some fuel. Chase might need some coffee. We've got about a 16-hour drive. I think it's 1,200 miles.
If anyone wants to support the privateer program. Gas sucks.
Facts. There's our dogs. Harley hates riding in the car. She gets really nervous. So we buy these like natural composure treats, hemp treats. But we got the good stuff too. We drug her, honestly. And then there's Bubby. Showa boy. It's his favorite thing to do, to ride in the car. He just had a bath. He's feeling clean. They're ready to go see their grandmas. Harley. I know I'm ready to see my mom.
Same.
Chase is mad. Why are you mad?
Well, first of all, if you need air in your tires, you're supposed to put a coin in a thing so the air compressor works. Not this card BS for 30 seconds and you have to manually put in your tire pressure and it doesn't even go up to 80, which is what this van requires. Just don't make sense.
What are we doing?
Driving, 10 hours in, my back hurts, I'm ready to be home. My car charger doesn't work for my phone, so my phone's almost dead. Have to stop at O'Reilly's. Have to stop at O'Reilly's and get a new fuse, and then we'll be back on track. That's if my phone doesn't die before I get to O'Reilly. Can't get the phone charger to work, so looks like we blew a fuse. I got it. Little bastard. So yeah, she's burnt.
There's the pyramid.
Sorry, because last time I did that, I knocked out, woke up in the hospital. And
There's the
talking
bridge.
about that horse. So at Redwood, what I would do, I was for some reason
Probably about 6.5 more hours to work.
try to go.
Well, a few days have went by. We made it back from South Carolina. Been spending time with family, Christmas, and all the holidays. This is our home that we turned into an Airbnb so I could go race some Supercross this year. All right, you can't see my home. Been here at parents' house for 1 week. It was good. Do Christmas with the fam, see some friends. But now it's time to continue our trip west.
Yeah.
We'll unload action, swap the road bike out for the mountain bike, and then repack it all.
We've lightened our load. We put some of our stuff in storage.
It's 5:30 a.m. We're ready to take off to California. It's been quite the journey. Dogs are ready. Joey, you ready? You ready? Van's locked and loaded. Kind of a full load here.
I don't know how.
See you on the road, dude.
Sherry's getting a drink. Harley's eating her breakfast. And it's pretty gnarly. How many hours were we just in the car?
Took us like 17 hours to get to Scottsdale with all the stops with the dogs. And this is our sick hotel, the Motel 6.
Morning, Hawk. Good morning, Showa. Oh, good morning, Chase.
Good morning.
Shout out to Motel 6. Oh, she's cozy. Hi, Harley. Hi, Showy. Welcome to California.
Here's our sick Motel 6. Give you a tour. Puppies. Beautiful wife. Chuck, get me. Show them what we got. Yeah. Back across. Show is a big fan of the Motel 6s. Been pit stop in Joshua Tree. Now we're trying to find the Joshua Tree, which is these things. Emily wants to take a photo of one with her, and it has to be the perfect one, she says.
We're just hanging out in Joshua Tree. Chase is stretching. I have to watch my step. I'm trying to be careful. There's a lot of cactuses and a lot of cool rocks. Like, you're doing good.
That's sketchy.
I know. Super sketchy. Can't see at all.
So, picked up Cole. This is my mechanic at San Diego Airport.
What's up, guys?
Let's go!
How's it going? What's up, puppy?
We made it to our destination for the month. Cole,
We're here.
Emily. We got an Airbnb for the month of January here in Cali. East Coast to West Coast, we're here. Stay tuned. Gonna keep you guys updated with some riding stuff the next month. Like, comment, subscribe. Have you seen?